and welcome back to my Summerfest Star Booth. As today is my last star segment, I thought it would be fun to invite my buddies Jordan and Perri. So boys, I want to put you to the test and see if you've been paying attention to my videos.
Cool.
I want you guys to do a summer makeover on me, half a face each.
For a festival look, bright lips. Oh, that has not gone well to start it. But yeah, you only want to do the bottom half of the bottom lip. There we go, that actually looks wicked. Okay, then what you need to do is...
Oh, do you know what?
You're going to draw around. Oh, there we go, it's coming out there.
Jeez. That's not even on her lip.
Are you putting like navy on my lip?
Right, we're going to go for some contouring. That's what we're going to go for.
Get the contour in.
No, you don't. Oh, okay, I'll show you how to do it.
Are you the pro?
Yeah,
Are you the master of contour?
I'm quite bossy at this, just saying.
You messed up with a shade, you just get a different brush, and you just go for a lighter colour and you blend.
I'm scared.
No, so you have to get the dark one first.
Even worse.
Like this, look.
That hasn't gone to plan.
So look, mad cheekbones. Cheese.
Nice. Okay, is it alright if I just borrow some of that, please?
We're using the same one, yeah, obviously, because it's the right one.
That's right, thank you.
Just gonna grab it to this.
There you go.
And then...
And close, Fee. Thank you.
I can tell that this is a look.
If you,
Did you just smell it?
No. If that looked weird, it wasn't.
See, look, I'm quite profesh, so... Oh, look, watch this.
Okay, where's that?
Oh, get you!
Uh-oh. Okay.
Eyeshadow.
Now for my finishing touch.
Oh, actually, what about that colour? It's nicer.
As if.
If you've got something like Roxi has, a lovely accessory, a nose piercing, really try and highlight that. So if you want, just go a little bit around. And look, bang, highlighted. Everyone's going to look at it. There you go.
Finishing touching.
Last.
Yeah, I was just testing to see if it was
break
durable.
proof.
We do the durability of it as well as the product itself.
So before we just
there
finish
you go.
that...
Brush your eyebrow because you have one
Brush your
unbrushed. The finishing touches.
Last bit.
There we go.
Oh my god. Did you just sign my forehead?
I did not. Just style accessories for summer festivals.
Summer festivals.
Summer festivals.
As the French do it.
Voila.
Fabulous.
So for your last Summerfest style segment, are you happy?
Yes, I'm
Would
definitely
you
going to
wear
go to
this?
Slime Fest like this. Defo, for sure.